Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you just passed into, welcome just the same. So as it said in the description box below, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for an account with TradingView. So many of you might not know TradingView, but TradingView is basically like a website for forex, of course, where you can go ahead, you can sign up and you can mark up your charts with TradingView. Now, TradingView is a best way, one of the best way to use to mark up your charts and get all the equipment that you need, you know, to set out for a trade. Because with TradingView, you can set alert. You can change the candlestick to what do you call it, Aikanashi, something like that. You can use regular candlesticks if you want. You can switch to bars, whatever it is, and you can use this site to mark up any currency you want. There's a lot more to TradingView than that, but that's basically what I know. I know that you can set alarms, you know, for retracement, for stuff like that. Set alarms on trade, and it, you know, give you that alert and all of that. So I have an account with TradingView, but I did not upgrade to the paid part of it. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and sign in and upgrade, because when you upgrade to that, you got a lot more than what I am getting now with the regular disc. And I'm planning on upgrading someday, because it really helped. I know somebody who was upgraded and they got everything, so I just use their devices instead. Don't say I'm cheap, because I'm not. Anyway, guys, so this is what if you signed up, this is not what it's gonna look like, but I'm just gonna show you guys a little thing with it. Let's try a currency. Most of you like US 30, so here it is. So let's go ahead and click on that, and it's basically gonna take me to the US 30 chart. Now with this, guys, you can go ahead and you can follow people, because there are people who that is on TradingView who marks up chart for you, tell you which direction it's gonna go. Some is right, some is not. Trade can turn on anybody, everybody knows that. And yeah, anything like that can happen. You can follow who you want to follow. You can look at how they mark up their chart if you choose, or anything like that. So here, let's scroll down. I have the US 30 index chart. Yeah, I can follow these people if I want, because as they say, top artists on the US 30. Let's go back up and let's go on full featured chart, because that's what we want. And it is loading. So when we go on the full feature chart, it's gonna look something. It's gonna look just like this, guys. So the candle that is there is Aikanashi, right? So yeah, with this now, what I want, I can go ahead and I can add indicators. It has a lot of built-in indicators. Whatever you want, guys, it is there. Choose, we can scroll down right over here and like this, and we can click on anything that we want. It has our MACD. There's the MACD. So a lot of persons who, if you didn't watch my video on how to download a MACD, you can go ahead and do that. But if that MACD doesn't work, because most of you don't have that I don't remember what it's called, whatever, the file. Some of you can't extract it. You can go ahead and use TradingView for that purpose, to get the MACD, to get the chart, to mark up your chart. It is up to date. TradingView is up to date, because as you can see, it's moving right here. So with this now, you can change the time frame to whatever you want. 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 month, whatever you choose, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute chart. This is basically the 15-minute chart, right? It has trend line. So if I want a trend line, I can go ahead and choose that. I can start it here. bring it up here, all the tools that you need. So you don't necessarily have to join up with an academy or anything like that to get these equipment. You can go ahead and get that on TradingView because they have different plan. You know, for those of you who like to mark up your charts, go ahead. You have anything, like I said, anything that you literally want, guys, it is here. It is here. What if I want to create support and resistance line? So all I have to do is go on where it says horizontal line, and let's say here, that's one there. If I want, I can pull it down, I can pull it up. I can change the color if I want. Go here, let's change the color to blue. I can go ahead and I can measure if I want. Yes, it has a ruler to measure pips. And I'm not good on saying that pips. So here it's measure. For those of you who know to read the pips, I do not remember how to do that. You see what's there. You know how many pips is that, right? Let's start that right there. Whatever you need, guys, it is here. I can zoom in, zoom out. You know, whatever I need. I can see it. I can set a stop loss and I can step stop loss and I can set take profit. So majority of you might not know that. So it depends on the pip that you want. Let's go ahead and remove that. So let's go ahead and we're gonna remove this also. Sorry to be taking so long. I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for two. Let's say I want to set a trade right here for a buy, and I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna click it right here. And this is what, so my stop loss would be this, and my target, which is my take profit, would be right here. I can pull it up if I want to, pull it down if I want to, whatever I want to. It gives you a stop loss, and also it gives you a take profit, which majority of the stuff doesn't do. And then it also tells you how many pips you're gonna get when you do that. So it tells you the pips for the loss and also for the take profit. As you can see, I'm adjusting my stop loss right here. So let's say I just want my stop loss to be like 19 pips. So I can go ahead and do that. And it tells me just the same, right? So here it would say my stop loss, my take profit, just the same. So you work with this. So this would be your stop loss over here. I just pulled it out to show you guys. This would be your take profit. It gives you the number, and this would be your trade, right? And you can do the same thing if you want. So I just pull it down so you guys know that. So if I bring it back up here, it's gonna tell me where to put my stop loss and where to put my take profit, where to put my trade. If you just want to lose 10 pips, you just pull it to where it says, which this is 19. You pull it where it says that, and your target is 209 pips. So yeah, you can go ahead and you can do that with it. The candlestick can change. It can change to bars. It can change to line. For those of you who want that, it can change to auto candles. And it was on regular. You can go to regular candles, and it can go on Aikinashi, and majority of the people love to use the Aikinashi. Let me spread it so you guys can see it a lot more better. And you can change the wrinkles, but to go on wrinkles you have to purchase to use the wrinkles. So you can't really adjust anything or change the time frame with wrinkles, and wrinkles is one of the good ways to trade. You can make money using wrinkles. Wrinkles work good on 5 minutes. I think that's what it is. It works good on 5 minutes. But I can't like adjust anything for the wrinkles any at all because you got to pay to get some of the things that you need. You can go ahead, I can publish it, I can snap a chat of it, I can do full screen, all of that, and I can set an alert. So let's say, oh, let me come off the wrinkles. let's say I want it to, when it goes reach a certain like resist here and to go down, I can set an alert for that to say, hey, it's now going down. So basically I'll get an alert on my computer or on my phone for that. Using TradingView is actually a good way to trade, especially for people who don't know how to trade. So for people who love to talk about Gartley, butterfly, all of that, you can go in and you can create that if you wanna. Whatever you want to do, it's there. For like some places that does that, Gartley, butterfly, all of that, to use that to trade, you can create your own and trading views. That's one of the things that IML Academy offers. And let's remove indicators. So I remove my MACD, and I can remove every single thing that I want to remove here. Remove join. So all of that, I can put back my indicators. MACD, and it's got there, just like that. Whatever you want, you can put it. I am at Academy use this, but to me, instead of putting like two what, I think it's 225, I don't remember, 275 or 280, something like that, I don't remember, and then 175 a month. I don't quite remember the amount that it was to get these equipments. You can pay like $14. I think that's the lowest to get that a month. You can go to their ultimate plan, their minimum plan, whatever you want, and go ahead and do that. So the link for TradingView is in the description box below, and once you click on it, that link, it's gonna redirect you to this page. Give me a second. So it's gonna redirect you to this page to explore and sign up. It gives you 1 month free trial, as it said before, and you can choose the plan that you want. As I said, free trial for 30 days. So they have their Pro Plus and their Premium, which you pay this a month. So this is a monthly fee that you pay to use their site. So guys, if you want that, you go ahead and you can click which one that you want, and you can join their site without paying. You can go ahead and do that, but you don't get like you don't get the maximum, like what I say, that the maximum, you can't explore it 100% because you have to sign up to be able to use certain things on it. And if you don't sign up with like pay, you're limited to a certain amount. So let's say I'm just gonna go for the Pro Fund and free for 30 days. I can choose whether I want to sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, Yahoo, Apple In, or an email. So let's go ahead and click on Google, and you would have to go ahead and sign in with the email. So let's use an email. Go ahead and use an email, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. And we're gonna go ahead and type in our passwords. Click on enter. Oh, my password is wrong. Let's try that again, guys. And once we click on that, it's gonna ask me, I can put an enter a number. to verify my account, where I'll be able to get a verification code, and I can choose a photo to upload for that. So now I have an account with them right here, and I'll click on the plan that I want, but I need to verify that first. And honestly, I don't have any phone on me right now to do that. But you guys go ahead and you get that code. It's gonna show you the checkout plan and all of that. So I'm gonna switch back over to my next account and see if we're able to do that on it. Give me a second, guys. And I know that this video is getting really long, but hold on for a second. Okay, so I'm back over to my account. So let's go ahead and say I want to click on upgrade now. I think I would still have to verify. I don't have any phone on me now, but let's say that. No, I don't. So, okay, so to start, I can choose a card or I can choose PayPal, whatever one works for me. So, yeah, the money wouldn't be, I don't know if we hold on to the money or that. I really don't remember. So it tells you 1 year card with withdrawal, which is the 3rd of April. The bank will hold on to $1 on dollar to verify the card. You can cancel auto renewal before your trial, and you will not be charged at all. So it tells you the policy. You choose your country, your state, or your arena. So let's click on that. Let's click on that. Let's say just click trial and pay now. Let's see how that works. So it can tell you if I want to do 1 year, I would pay. I can do a 1 year plan for 155 USD dollar, or I can choose to be billed monthly when I only pay that. And let's go ahead and click on next. Let's go for PayPal. That would be the PayPal email, all of that. And then I'll click on subscribe and that will go through. So that's how you sign up for an account with TradingView. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell and drop a comment so I know what you guys are thinking. Stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.